Hello, how are you today? I have a quick unboxing from Chanel. It's a skincare. I'm buying a lot from UAE or United Arab Emirates Chanel now. They are so generous and send me beauty gifts. We'll open it with you here as well. The only thing I bought this time, Hydra Beauty Essence Mist. Nobody talk about this one, guys. This one, it's one of the best mist ever. I tried. Chantecaille, it's nice one. The rose water, it's very nice. What else I tried? Guerlain Parure Gold, the expensive one, it's very good. And this one, it's very good too. It's Essence Mist. It's expensive, it's $100. This one, guys, I love this one. The spray, I don't know if you can. That's it. It's and smell nice. You have to try it. You will not be disappointed. Believe me, you will not be disappointed. The small gifts first. La collection. This one. The pouch. A mirror. It's written Chanel. Wow, satisfaction, huh? Very luxurious. Very nice mirror. I think I will put it back in the pouch. This is the first gift. Second one. It's block, know it. Yeah. And then, how cute it is. How cute. I love it. There's a pencil here. Love it. So adorable. Yep. That's it. I wanted to open it with you and see what I've got because I'm so excited about the two gifts actually. Okay, see you on my next one. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and I will see you on my next one. Take care. Bye.